Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I having one washing machine for the repair. This machine brand wise Whirlpool brand. It's having problem. We can on the machine the power switching on. Water also taking when I'm selecting direct spin machine it's running well, but problem when we are selecting any option washing option machine not getting start. That's mean that option not working. Because of that we have to check what is the problem. We will check what is the problem. We will go to the next step. Now I am giving power. Now I'm selecting here one delegate option. Here is 30 degrees Celsius, also 1 hour and 10 minutes, and we will start the machine. Door lock already, it's already locked. Now we will check what will happen to the machine. This is stream and tumble your garment. It's showing like that. It is Whirlpool brand. Also this is 6 cents Fresh Care Plus, and water take into the machine now. Water take into the machine now. You can see. Now 1 minute came down. It is reducing the timing. Now already water came inside the machine. By the pressure sensor is already cut off the water inlet valve. Now already got stopped water. That's mean enough quantity water came inside the drum. Now machine should run now, wash option, but it's not running. You can see it's showing, but motor not getting start, not running. Now I'm going to stop the machine, and power also off, and door lock already released, and we will check what is the problem exactly. We have to open the top cover and control board, motor, everything we have to check. After that we can decide what we can do, and we will check the power control box first. After that we will, and now we have to remove the 2 screws. And we will remove the top cover. The top cover, and we have to lift up. After that we can remove the top cover. PCB, here it's look like no any problem with the display PCB, and we will check. Now we will check main control box. It is downside the bottom side, the back of the bottom, the main control board. We will remove the back cover and we will check. I'm going to remove the power control box. We have to remove these 2 screws. And after that we can lift up. It's like that. Also we have to remove this cover, and it will come like that. Now we can take the main control box. The power control box. Now we have to take it out, but it is very easy to take it from this harness, heater connection, and also motor connection. This harness we have to remove. After that we can check the PCB. Now I remove already harness and check. Now it's better to take one picture. If it is forgetting connectors, because of that it's very easy. You have to remove. Now I already released the control box. Now I am going to remove the cover and we will check. Now control box is look like no any damage, no burn. Now we have to check the motor continuity and heater continuity, everything, because before fixing we have to check everything. Now I'm checking heater continuity. Heater is okay, no any problem, no ground, no problem. Motor also we can check. All the winding with the body, no any issue. Now what I'm going to do, now I'm going to replace the new PCB. This is the old one. This one I'm going to replace with this new one. This is new PCB. It is part number and all as same. This part number is showing here. Two 15013452000. This one also same. And now I'm going to replace the new PCB and we will check if it is working. It's okay, it should work actually. The problem while he's selecting any option, the washing option not working, but not problem is it's not showing error message also. And we will check if it should work actually after replacing new PCB, and we will fix the PCB and check. Now we have to remove this. It is easy for us. Now we will fix one by one connector, harness assemble. Now I fix all the harness to the control board. And before fixing to the machine we will check one cycle. After that we can fix the control board. And now we have to fix the connector for the motor, also heater, and also thermistor, and earth wire. And we will keep this side. And we will give the power and we will check. Now I already fixed the power control box to the machine, harness assemble. Now I'm given already power connection. Now I'm going to select wash option. This one mixed fabric 40 degrees Celsius and 1 hour, and we will start and check the already door lock. The water drain pump is realized, water, all the remaining water already gone inside. Having problem is water taking, but while we are selecting spin cycle also working without any problem, but the problem while we selecting any wash option only not working. Now we will see. Now already we replaced the control board. Water taking. Yes, water taking inside. Water taken to the machine. Now it's 1 hour is selected. Now it's came down, decrease in 1 minute. 1 minute came down. Still water taken to the machine. Yes, machine start. Now 100% problem with the drain, the main control board. This is the problem. Now new control board we can fix permanently to the machine and we can hand over to the customer. This type of complaint is very difficult to troubleshoot because it's not showing any error message also. Because of that only problem for us. But if customer giving proper information for us, very easy to find the complaint. But this customer also having he don't have any idea about the machine. Now machine is running well without any problem. We can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. Listening, if you are not subscribed my channel, I'm kindly requesting kindly subscribe my channel, and we will meet with another video. Thanks for watching again.